2 weeks, you are going to complete this version. Last 2, 3 batches happening from within like a 2 weeks. Version is completing and voice and accent is completed in a third week. Okay, 2, 2, 3, third week, second week, and third week only. And you are have to go immediately for a technical. So even if you see, so 2 days back only, this yesterday, some people written in one batch this voice and accent. So what version is completed, then voice and accent also. Almost like a 8, 9 members are cleared voice and accent. So they have a technical interview tomorrow. Yesterday only they are completed. Okay. So point is, guys, for preparations, you will get a lesser the time. Okay. Of course, voice version is very important and voice and accent is very important. Why? Because if you clear version, then only voice and accent. Once you clear a voice and accent, then only technical. If you clear the technical, then only it is onboarding. Okay. So it is a line, one by one, right? Maximum one day back gap, not even a more time you will get it. So don't think like that. So you have a lot of time. So think is put a more time for your version preparation, voice and accent preparation, PPTs and all these things. But give at least half an hour for a technical purpose. Not only daily what I'm telling, also I think I shared it. If I'm not, otherwise I will share one more document to you. Okay. Okay, I think I didn't share that document. So I'll share one more document to you. Okay. So that's the document which is I have taken for one batch. It is almost all, everything is there on it. Almost like a 70, 80%, more than 80%. Content is same what we are going to discuss. Okay. There it is. That's the one. So go through it. So as per your previous knowledge, like hardware or networking knowledge, so go through and so you will understand it as. Of course, I'm going to take the classes, but you have a time to can go. And also I'm going to share some short videos also there by one channel called PowerSet Animated channel. There's for a few things, technical part. So there's short videos also there. Short means not YouTube shorts. It is 5 to 10 minutes videos only. So you will get to understand what is it is from that one also. Okay. So don't ignore the technical, but give time, little time for the technical also. Okay. Daily. So think like this is the time for your preparation to get inside an organization. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, guys, what we discussed about an IT services. Okay. And different types of clients, internal client, external client, or internal customer, external customers, generally call it as retail type of customers. And we also discussed about what is a ticket and what is the content of the tickets and what is the different types of ticket, incident ticket, service request ticket, alert tickets, priority and impacts of the ticket based on the impact of the uh, users or impact on the customers, impact on the business. So we will put a priority levels. So different issues will occur. Different issues, different types of impact on the business. Some are only on the certain users only. Some are in all users. Some services will impact on the business. Okay. You okay, like the different type of impact service. So based on that, these priority levels are designed. And also we discussed about a response time and resolution times on the newspaper. 1 second. Guys. Okay. Okay. Response and resolution time. So any issues occur, or it can be an issue or maybe a service request, or it can be an incident or a service request or electricity. So whatsoever it is, once it came to the service desk, so there is a resolution time and response time is also there, right? So once it is assigned to a service desk analyst or agent or a technical member or technical team, okay? So first we have to give a response and then you have to start resolving it by before when it should be resolved before the resolution time completed. Okay, like a due time or a resolution time is before the time only it has to be completed. If it is not completed by the given time, it is called a SLA violation. Okay, SLA violations. So we are also discussed about what is a service desk and what are things, what are the different points, purpose of this service desk, what happens in the service desk level. It is what is service desk analyst will do it, and as well as I given a link to a 25 help desk or service desk questions. It's not technical question, guys. These are like common questions. It is. For example, how you feel this profile is suitable for you. So what is the service desk person, a technical person, okay, basic requirements to means they should have these qualities. What is this? Ability to listen to others, ability to listen to others. So what they are telling, they are giving information. Listening means not only voice, it is also from chat or maybe some mail. The ability to listen to others, ability to present your thoughts clearly. So you have to guide a solution to him. You have to guide to do things. You have to tell them how to do it. So then you have to clearly can able to explain it. The ability to be patient, especially in tense situations. Okay. So there is an issue is occur. So it's like a P1 ticket is occur like that. So like um, we don't feel tensions and hurry, more taking a more lot of pressure. We don't do it. So like it is, we are be be patient and be calm. Be patient, be calm, and focus. We'll focus on a different possibility of solutions, and we try different solution to resolve the issues. Okay, so like that it is. So what are the abilities? Why you feel you're suitable for this profile? So I'm able to listen to the others. I'm ability to present my thoughts clearly. Okay, I'm be patient and calm in the tense situation. I focus on the resolving the issues, not on the any other things. Okay, like that, that's a kind of stuff. How do you deal with the frustrated customers? Okay, so you are dealing with a customer, either it internal customer or external customer. It is frustrated customer. So commonly, guys, you should understand frustrated. Why we are getting frustration? Okay, we are not BB patient or anything like that. So really, some people for everything they will frustrated. That's a different thing. Okay, so why we feel frustrated? That in a certain service oriented. For example, in my home, in a few days back, internet is not working. So I reported through my mobile application. So I reported this is the situation. So ticket is created. They said this is the follow-up ticket. So this is the ticket number. They assigned a ticket number. This person is going to visit on particular time and resolve it. Last time it take little extra time, but still it is good. But Yes. Nice. But what have then? One guy, the ticket is assigned to a person, so he has to come to home. But he didn't come. So I called him and I asked him, why didn't you come? So he said, your location is different. My location is different. And then it's next to one only. It's hardly 1 or 2 kilometers distance only. Okay, from his area to my area. So next to even it is both are in almost the same line. Okay, not even 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers. The next line only. But the guy is answered like that. So okay, so I said I will relocate means he said will retransfer to the service that they will allocate the your area person, but not done. 2 days completed, not done. I called to the um, service number. They're telling, yeah, within a 24 hours issue will be resolved. But I said it is already 3 days completed. So still you are saying 24 hours time. Okay. They said now 24 hours. So, but I said this is already, this is a situation. Okay, 24 hours. So I got little angry, but I know the situation, people, what they can able to do it. Okay. So I can leave like that and then finally I got a person. And after 2 days, actually situation is they didn't explain to me. So what is the situation? There is a main junction box, internet from my home to so a one junction box. There is a lines are corrupted. Okay, lines are damaged. So I didn't get an internet. The situation is always like that only 2 3 days no internet. So that's there in the main site only they have to do repair, not in my premises. Okay. Thing is like that. So we know the field how it is. That's why I'm not so much angry or frustrated because my issues I have to get resolved. Thing is, guys, just I'm talking as a retail customer. Even organizational levels, organizational customers or internal our own organization also. So when issue has to be resolved, it should be resolved, right? So otherwise, you have to explain what is the situation. First, listen to the customer. Important is listen to the customer. Whether whatever the position you are in an organization, whether you are working in a networking related, hardware related, software related, cloud related, or maybe virtualization related work. So you are able to listen to the customer, understand customer requirements, understand customer what he's said, what is giving information. Get information clearly. Get information clearly. Ask according to that questions. First important. Once you got a clarity, then you will follow up. And you will give, like if you don't give promises, but we'll try as soon as we are going to resolve it. So we'll send a person or maybe we'll tell this is the situation. That's why we are unable to complete the situations. Okay. In case the issue is not able to resolve yourself, you can't able to resolve yourself. Maybe that is need more technical expertise is required. Then you will escalate the issue to the other levels. You will escalate the issue to the other levels. Means you are in a level 1, so you will escalate to level 2 or level 3 like that. So this is how to deal with the frustrated or angry customers. First thing, a help desk person must try to understand customer. First is let them speak, let them say. Also try to avoid conflicts or any such a thing that disturb the customers. So don't argue with the customers like so you are doing a fault, not like this, not like this, okay. So you told something they understand different way. Okay. So like even like yesterday evening only we discussed with our the batch which is going for technical round. Okay. What is that one? Practice certain things yourself, guys. Because, when I was taking some kind of, TR rounds for batches in a college related one, ask some questions. I will ask some general questions plus some simple questions also, which you well known things, well known. If I ask, if I'm getting a BS issue, you may not know how to resolve it, right? So at least right now, okay. So what I'm trying to say it is you know well known things. So how you will explain to others step by step, how you will guide. Once you prepare that one, so based on that, you can able to give an answers for every situations. It is useful for your interview because more in interview, definitely there is a 2, 3 questions on the and on the kind on this type of questions will be there. Okay. Okay. Technical solutions questions. Okay. Troubleshooting questions. So here, listen to the question first. Okay. Scenario. It's simple. You know it, but how you will do it, like that is. For example, someone, maybe a world people think like it is there is a world people. Or maybe some people don't know much about a mobile phone. So they have a mobile phone. So like they have a mobile phone, they have a WhatsApp in their mobile. Okay. So now they want to make a video call to someone. Already numbers, everything is speeded. You have to, they don't know how to make a video call. Okay. They don't know how to make a video call to someone. So what they have done, so they call to you from some other phone number or something. Okay. From second. They call to you, ask you to, I want to make a call to video call to someone. Okay. So how you will guide them? You have to guide them. You have done video calls for so many times, right? Maybe daily, at least once a day, twice a day, right? You have done a lot of video calls, WhatsApp video calls. But how you will guide someone to make a video call? They have to call someone to video call. So you have to help them to do it through telephone. Okay. Think like a stepwise. Simple, right? We can do it, but for telling to someone is difficult, right? But if you think like that, you can give an answer for any technical part, anything, any troubleshooting, anything. Okay, answer, but how to present like that? You are guiding some customers or guiding some clients, guiding your friend like that. Okay, an example we can say like this is one example, right? Video call. Second one, second scenario. Um, there is someone they got a new internet. Okay, internet is installed. Internet Wi-Fi router is installed. Internet is coming, but they don't know how to connect from their mobile to the Wi-Fi router, or they have a laptop, so they want to connect from laptop to internet. That's Wi-Fi. They want to connect Wi-Fi from their laptop. You know how to connect a mobile phone, right? Through mobile phone, you know how to connect it to Wi-Fi. You have done. Next, from laptop also, you know how to connect it to Wi-Fi, right? Now you have to tell them telephone or mobile phone, just like you have to tell. So how to connect it from their device to that Wi-Fi router. Second, right? Third one. I'm not know much about this hotspot kind of stuff. So I call to you, I want to share, I want to connect. So I'm getting internet to my mobile phone, 4G internet I'm getting. So I want to connect from there to my laptop using hotspot. Hotspot wise, I want to connect it. But you have done sharing that internet, right? So you have a 4G data, your friend don't have a data. So you want to share your hotspot. Then your friend will access through your hotspot. They can access the internet. Or now most of the people now who are connected through laptops, what they do, they use a mobile phone to connect to the laptop hotspot connection. Right? You know it. Right? If you don't know, I don't know. Okay. I can't do anything. Just otherwise I can explain it as no problem. But most of you know it. Now you have to tell someone, maybe your parents or maybe your grandparents or your friend, don't know how to connect with the hotspot. How to turn on the hotspot in the mobile phone, how to connect it from your things, the configurations and that. How you will guide them. So 3 questions. Okay. These are 3 questions. Well-known things. I'm not talking about unknown things right now, at least. So how you will provide these solutions? If you try those things for yourself, don't search in Google, don't search in any place, ChatGPT, nothing. Because you know it. If you don't know, then you will search it. If you ask something question, so that is if your internet frequently disconnected, you don't know what happened. So you will search in a Google or you will search in a ChatGPT kind of stuff. But this is VOI no. So what does the 3 questions I said? Everybody knows that. So now you have to prepare yourself that how to tell. So guys, if you practice like that, you can give an answer for any scenario-based questions. Okay. So that's the point what I'm trying to say. Understand the 3 questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very, very. Okay. Yeah, this is a link, guys. You can go through this link and find out some of the useful comments. Sorry, useful answers, questions and answers. Just go through once. Okay. So see the answer, read the answer, understand the answer, and you can try your own version of answer. Okay. If you have got a doubt or anything, I can also try to explain it. Okay. And also we discussed about how the service desk get to know there is an issue is occur, some requirement is occurred. So different paths to reach the service desk or service desk getting information, right? So directly through telephone or mobile phone, email, web portals, websites, mobile applications, apps, reporting apps for client side, and our side like to do that also different softwares used in the service desk. BMC, Helix, ITSM, ServiceNow, GLPI, Zoho, Zendesk, Freshworks, Quest Ticket kind of stuff. And also service desk will get information from the monitoring tools. Any events are occur like error kind of events, warning kind of events are occur. Even immediately alert tickets will be created on the service desk software from monitoring tools. Okay, from monitoring tool will send this alerts or alarms to the service desk. Alert tickets will be created. So these are the things we discuss. So as I said, guys, there is SLA violations, service desk support levels, types of service desk is also there. As I said, guys, there is a resolution time. So any ticket is come to you. So there is a due time or resolution time is there. First, you have to respond to the ticket. Then we try to resolve, fulfill the user requirements, customer requirements. Okay, it can be issue resolutions or it can be a service request kind of stuff, whatever it is. Okay, it's a maybe access permission, information, or configurations, installations, remote access kind of stuff. There is a resolutions. Okay, by the given time, you have to resolve the things, right? So if you're not done, so then it is called as a SLA violation. If ticket not resolved by the given time, Okay, given time actually, it's not give time, it is given time. Okay, resolution time, given resolution time or due time. Then it is a called a SLA violation. It is a SLA violation. So you violated a SLA as per SLA agreement. Okay, as per SLA. So you didn't given a support. Okay, SLA violation. So how are this SLA violations will occur, right? It is. But really, we have to face always SLA violations. We are just a freshers, right? We are just a freshers. So we don't know all the technical aspects, right? Okay, we don't know all the technical things. So then definitely SLA violation occurs. No, guys. There is a lot of things in IT. There are a lot of things in IT. So to understand, okay, only to be, these violations will occur in certain times only. Some rarest times only it will occur. But it should be rarest times only, not always. Why not always it is? Why not always it is? Because what I'm trying to say it is organizations, what they will do it. They prepare a documentation, a document. There's two concepts are there. One is SOP, another one is KEDB. SOP and KEDB. Standard operating procedure. So you have to do a certain task. For example, you have to do certain installations or configurations, updations. So remote servers are there, you have to update it. Okay. So you have to do some patchworking, patch management or updations are almost same. You have to do some patch management or updating or upgradations, some changes, access permissions, or maybe I said, I don't know, so installations or configurations, setups you have to do it. Or maybe no troubleshooting related issues also. What organization will do it? They prepare a document. They will prepare a document. So what you have to do? Based on the task you got it, go through the document, follow the document, step by step document it is. It's like a checklist kind of stuff. Okay, SOP is like kind of checklist. Have you done the first step? Yes, done. Then second step, done. Third step, done. Fourth step, done. And at final step, issue is resolved. Issue is finally it's going to be resolved. Okay. So even sometimes I need a certain servers to set up for a class purpose or anything. So what I will do, I'll search for the document, step by step installation of LAMP server, step by step installation of NGINX server, step by step installation of FTP server. So I'll go to the document, so see the steps and see in the steps, it is see like that's well follow one by one. Run this command, run this command, run this command, do this kind of stuff. Final step, it is completed. So what is the advantage of company providing this instruction? Company want a solution, company want an outcome, not what is you think, your talent is not important. It's important for the organization is what should be completed. Customer has to be satisfied by the given time or the work should be completed. Okay. Outcome. What is an outcome? It is output of your work. It should be successful output should become. Okay. Successful output. Well, you are a fresher and there's some experienced people. For example, after 2 years of your experience and there is a 5 years experience candidate. One person is for 1 or 2 years experience, another is 5, 6 years experience. Both are got the same task, for example. Okay, both are got a same task. So experienced person will do better as compared to less experienced person. Company don't do that one. Company organizations don't worry about your experience and else. You know it and don't know, that's it. Okay. What is the company requirement is uniformity of performance. Whether you doing it or someone doing it. Important for an organization is outcome. So that's why it is Organization, mainly bigger organizations, what they will do it, they create a SOPs, standard operating procedures. So for a to do certain tasks or troubleshooting or anything, it can be installations, configurations, troubleshootings, managing, updations, upgradations, changing for every type of task it is. They'll create a SOPs. Sometimes you for certain things may not available, but most of the things for mostly common things, they will provide SOPs. Okay. Standard operating procedure is a set of step-by-step instructions compiled by an organization. Compiled by an organization means already seniors, people who are working for a longer time are already seniors. So are people while working. So that they will create different SOPs to help workers to carry out complex routine operations. Okay, complex routine operations. So complex operations. So you have to do step by step things, lot of things by yourself, by your thinking, by your experience. Maybe you miss a step. So it may be not you got a failed outcomes. Maybe you got a failed outcomes instead of a successful outcomes. Okay, failed outcomes or improper outcomes, issues. Okay, maybe not a standard output you are not getting. So what is the thing? It's better to follow the SOPs to get a uniformity of performance, uniformity of outcomes. Okay. SOP aims to achieve efficiency, quality output, uniformity of performance, while reducing miscommunications, failure to comply with the industry regulations. Okay, so you have to meet that your outcome should be industrial regulations. So that is a SOP. It's a common thing is given, right? So this is SOP. So you got a task or you got a some issue or maybe you have to do certain work. Okay. So what you have to do, the related SOP, open it and follow it. That's the simple. Next, KEDB, non-error database. Guys, understand SOP?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
KEDB, non-error database. I given only word, okay, only abbreviation, nothing more. But there is a thing. Why this guy is keep on sending batch 9? I'm taking batch 8. I don't get it. Okay. Here. So KEDB, non-error database. Guys, in organizations, so doing different IT services to the different IT companies, different other non-IT companies also, right? So a lot of services are there. Different issues will come up, right? Different issues are there are faced. Some are frequently occurred, some are rarely occurred. So whenever the issues occur, they they'll try to resolve the issue. They try different solutions to resolve the issues. Some are work, some are may not work. So what the people do it, they'll keep all this information. What is an issue? What are the probable cause of this issue? And what are the suitable solutions for these issues? Okay, working solution for these issues. What are the suitable working solution for these issues? And what are the preventive measures after issue is resolved? They'll put it in a document called KEDB, non-error database. Some places they call it as a knowledge base. SOPs, KDBs. Also we can call it as a knowledge bases. Okay. So what is the advantage of it? What is the advantage of it? Again, same thing like this. Same situation. You join in an organization. You're a fresher, you're joining an organization. There is another person, experienced person, join in the same organization. Okay? 5 years experience person, 10 years experience person, 2 years experience person, freshers. So what they have to do it? As a fresher or experienced person, what do we have to do it? So once you join and started work, start learning KEDBs. Go through the KEDB. What are the most frequently issues or occurs? Okay. What are the steps you should follow to resolve the issues? So you will try to find some frequently occurred issues. So that will help you to understand what kind of issues we are going to face. If that kind of issues will occur, you have that knowledge, then we can able to resolve the issues. Okay. Different organizations, different types of issues. Some are common, some are different. Some are product related issues, some are technical related issues, some are application related issues, right? So different type of issues. Some are common issues, some are organizations, only in that organization only specially it will occur. So depends upon other things. Okay. Once again. For example, so first of all, you should go through KEDB, understand what are the frequently occurred issues, what are the issues we are about to get it in this organization as a fresher or experienced first. Second, while you are working, so there is a issue is occurred. You have to troubleshoot it. You have to resolve that issues. You may have a knowledge, you may not have a knowledge on it. You may have a knowledge or you may not have a knowledge on it. So what you will do? Okay. What you will do? If you have a knowledge, then you will try to resolve it. If you don't have a knowledge, then what you will do? You go through KEDB, search for the issue. Okay, there's search box, search for that related issues. Find out that your issue related kind of stuff. Open it. See the suggestions, how to workflow to resolve the issues. That is called workflow. We get workflow. Okay, workflow of the issue resolutions. What are the first step you have to do it, second step you have to do it, third step. What are the, based on that, what are the possible solutions, and try one by one solutions. Once you once a solutions worked, then find out this working solution. And once verify the fix, yes, working. Then you will do some preventive measures as suggested. Once you have done, you do documenting. Okay, you do document things. That is a help of KEDB. So guys, use of SOP or KEDB. Okay, either it is, some people call only SOP, some people call KEDB, some people call mixer, no knowledge basis or anything, guys. So common different terminologies in different organizations. So simply to tell, using this SOPs and KEDBs, you can resolve the any issues. You can do any tasks. Okay, as the given. So this is thing. If it is out of this SOP, any certain task is given to you, it is not in the SOP, then what you will do? Then definitely we'll try some other sources to find. Okay, we'll use our own knowledge, or maybe we'll try something from it. But learning is important. Okay, so let's understand use of SOP and KEDB. Yes, sir. Good. Good. The next one, troubleshooting model. So I got the 6 steps of troubleshooting model from CompTIA A plus notes. Okay, it is a CompTIA is a one of the organization providing different set of certification on different technologies. A plus means it is hardware. N plus means networking, server plus server related cloud, security, like that. Different technologies, common technologies. For example, I go to CCNA. CCNA means Cisco related networking, routing, switching related to the CCNA. Okay. Again, Juniper network related, D-Link related. But this is common one. This N plus is common to all the different type of networks. Even Linux plus, server plus, it's not binded to any kind of organization, not belongs to Microsoft, not belongs to Red Hat, like that. It is common things. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, in a CompShare A plus, in the troubleshooting notes, I found this 6 steps started. Okay. This is one troubleshooting note. And it is very easy. Like as I said, guys, if you got an issue or you have to resolve an issue, you have to follow these 6 steps. Okay. 6 steps. In case, even if there is a KEDB SOP is available or not available, or maybe your issue is not available in the KEDB or SOP, or if it is available, Either which ways, you have to follow the 6 steps. What are these things? Identify the issue. Identify the issue or a problem. Identify the issue. First of all, you want to resolve an issue, you should know the issue first. What is the issue? Then only we can try solution, right? So without knowing what is the problem, then how can you solve it? And there is a question that is, nothing works in my side. So client specified, so nothing, everything is not working. But you don't get what is everything. It's a laptop or a desktop or a mobile phone or maybe a mouse or a keyboard or AC or what is it is. We don't know. It's a server or maybe storage or anything. Which one is not working, we don't know. Okay. So first of all, you should understand an issue. Actually, what is an issue? So here it is, first important. If you know the issue, if you know the issue is occurred, if you know the issue, then you will try solutions, right? So first of all, first is identify the issue or identify the problem. Second, establish probable cause. Establish probable cause. Establish probable cause. Means every issue having different reasons are there, different possibilities, different reasons are different probabilities. Possibilities are there to certain kind of issues occurring. For example, just for example, for our understanding, you're leaving to your office or maybe college, morning, time is very less. So you started your bike and you are going on. So in middle, your bike stop working. Okay? Or maybe at your home only till yesterday it is working. Now it is stop working. Your bike stop working. Simple. By case stop working. So what are the probable causes? Petrol is not there. Maybe there is a problem in your engine. Maybe there is a problem in your silencer. Maybe instead of petrol, you put a diesel. That is also probable cause, right? Maybe your batteries become weaker. Like that, guys. You do probable causes, right? Is it possible? Is it there? Is it like that? Is like that, right? So establish the probable causes. Different causes will do it. Test the theory. So one by one cause you are checking once again. Is it a issue? Is it a issue? Is it a issue? Test the theory. Next, once you are understand what is the most possible cause, and you will understand. Okay, we'll try for the solution. If it is causing this issue, then what is the next thing we can do it? Okay, what is the solution we can do it? Okay, if I do like this, issue will be resolved. The test theory means you're theoretically testing, you're thinking, right? So if this is a causing the issues, so what is the solution? If I do like this, if I do this solution, issue will be resolved or not. That's a test theory. Okay. Now you understand, you find that a solutions. You find a solution. Then you plan to implement that solution. And you are implement that solution. You plan, establish a plan and implement solution. Means you plan to implement the solution and you implement the solution. Verify the fix. Verify the fix. Verify the fix. Means is it working your solution or not? Not working means you will try another solution. Working means yes, good. Okay, we verify the fixing. Yes, issue is resolved. And we do some preventive measures if possible. We do some preventive measures. Why should we do preventive measures? Issue should not be repeated again. And this issue should not cause another issues. Okay? We do preventive measures. The last one is document finding. What is document finding? What you have done from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, we'll put it in the 6th step, document. Okay. So what's in the document? What is an issue? What in the document? What is the issue? What causing this issue? We establish probable causes, but actually what causing this issue? Something which is causing issue. So what causing this issue? What solution you are implemented? What solution they are implement to resolve the issue means working solution. Working solution for this issue and for this cause, a working solution. So what is the working solution you are implementing? And what are the preventive measures you have taken? What are the preventive measures you have taken? Okay. So these things you will put it in the document. Guys, whether you have a SOPs to resolve an issues or KEDBs or knowledge bases to resolve an issues, or if you do not have it, you should follow the troubleshooting model. Identify the issue, establish probable cause, test the theory, verify the fix and do preventive measures, document finding. The document finding, so what is the issues occur, what causing this issue, what is the solution you try to resolve the issues, whether it is working or not, what are the preventive measures you have taken, should be in the document. Guys, understand SOP, KEDB, now it is troubleshooting model. Hmm? Next. So what is SLA violations? Holding, transferring ticket, escalations. So because of this help of SOPs, KEDBs, okay, so you will resolve or you will complete the task by the given time. So most of the possible, there is no SLA violations occurs. Until unless you don't understand the situations or you don't follow the SOPs, even it is available, or maybe certain issues will be in a chain type. It means certain part you will do it, certain part some other team has to be completed. Then once they are completed, then you have to follow up and complete the situation. Okay, our last minute assignments. Last minute assignments also will not completed, right? So if you don't resolve the issue by the given time, it can be as well a violation. Of course, with the help of SOP and KEDB, you can resolve the issues and work, task, everything by given time. So, whatever, somewhere I'm disconnected. SLA violations. Sometimes you got some assigned work is there or assigned issue is there. So you're trying to resolve that issue. Certain part you have to complete, some part other people has to complete. But other team members should be completed as early as possible before ticket is due time is completed. Okay. So if not done, so what happen? SLA violation. How to escape from this kind of SLA violation in these certain situations? You can follow other things also. So that we will going to be discuss after small break, guys. Take a break. Back at 11:10. Okay, so we'll see that one. So when you'll be back, give me 2 minutes time to